One AI edit, no consent, and it's not the only line X crossed today. 3 stories are moving on X right now, and together they show how fast generative AI is running into rate limits, rights, and real people's boundaries. Let's get into it. First, OpenAI. According to a post from an OpenAI employee, Athsadio, the company has shipped what it's calling a banked reset for paid Codex and ChatGPT Work users, and it's arriving right as Codex has passed 20 million active users. Here's what a banked reset actually does. Instead of your rate limit quota simply expiring and resetting to 0 on a fixed schedule, unused quota can roll over, which takes some of the pressure off users who are hitting usage caps during heavy work periods. It's a small mechanical change, but it says something bigger about scale. 20 million active users on a coding assistant is a lot of simultaneous demand, and rate limit strain at that size becomes a product problem, not just an infrastructure footnote. For engineering teams in the EU building workflows around Codex, this is worth pausing on. If your continuous integration pipeline, your code review process, or your internal tooling depends on a single vendor's quota policy, you're exposed to decisions made entirely outside your own infrastructure. That's not a criticism of OpenAI. It's a reminder that operational control and rate limit resilience are exactly the kind of thing sovereign, self-hosted, or EU-hosted alternatives are designed to protect against. Second story, and this one is less about infrastructure and more about consent. A user on X, Amayo Jimuin, says a classmate used Grok to secretly edit and repost a purikura photo. That's the photo sticker style images popular in Japan. Without asking permission first, the post calls the act a potential crime. Strip away the specifics and you can see the underlying issue clearly. Consumer-facing generative image tools today can take almost any uploaded photo and alter it instantly, and there's no built-in mechanism checking whether the person in that photo actually agreed to being edited or having the results shared. That's the consent gap, and it's not unique to Grok. It's a structural feature of how these tools currently work. For anyone building or deploying similar image editing capabilities in the EU, this case lands squarely in territory that GDPR and the EU AI Act's transparency obligations were designed to cover. So the likeness and biometric adjacent misuse isn't a hypothetical compliance risk. It's a documented incident causing real reputational and legal exposure right now on a mainstream platform. Waiting for a viral controversy before adding consent logging or provenance checks is the wrong order of operations. Third, on the lighter side, but still worth understanding, Yi Wanglu shared a video where an AI model has transformed Command & Conquer, Red Alert 2, the classic real-time strategy game from the early 2000s, into a 22-minute cinematic film. It's an impressive demo of generative video and narrative synthesis working together, taking existing game assets and lore, and turning them into long-form movie-style output without a traditional production pipeline behind it. It's fan-made, not an official release, but the underlying capability is the real story. Game-to-film generation at this length and quality is arriving faster than most rights and licensing frameworks are prepared for. If your organization holds a legacy game or media catalog, this is a good moment to check what your contracts actually say about AI derivative works, because fan projects like this one are quietly setting expectations before any formal precedent exists. So, 3 signals from one 24-hour window on X, a scaling infrastructure fix from OpenAI, a consent controversy involving Grok, and a generative video demo reworking licensed game IP. Different domains, same underlying theme. AI capability is outpacing the guardrails around consent, rights, and operational control. That gap is exactly where EU builders and enterprises need to be paying attention. If you found this useful, subscribe for daily briefings grounded in what's actually happening in AI, not speculation. You can also get our free weekly AI signal brief by email, and if your team is building with AI and wants a sovereign, EU-based approach, AetherLink offers a free consult. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.